We know that high-quality ingredients and a luxury experience don't have to equal an exorbitant price tag.
Listen, I can't ignore the beat. Gotta skip my step.
The key to fighting wrinkles is retaining moisture, and that's exactly why we use plant-based squalene in the Dream Cream. We also used one of my favorite ingredients, antioxidant-rich rosehip oil.
For a long time I was intimidated by retinol, but this formula is a combo of retinol, peptides, and vitamin E. It's super soothing and gentle, and my skin never feels tight or dry when I wake up in the morning.
These are things you use every day. They go on your body and stay on your body and interact with your body. So yeah, it'd be a good idea to know what's in them, what they do.
What's not in our products is just as important as what is. That means no parabens, no sulfates, and no synthetic fragrance.
Onekind.us is officially live. Go check out our 2 brand new products and get free shipping on your first order.